Okay. So ini susul galur yang ketiga, which is we should know about min max or turning points bila differentiate dia dy dx is equal to 0. Okay. Jadi nanti kita akan go through soalan dan kita tengok macam mana application soalan min max. Okay, so next. Number 4. Okay. Kita ada small
change.
Okay, we have a small change. Thank you. Okay, small change, which is equation dia ialah okay, dy is equal to dy dx times dx. Okay, so small change regarding y or x. So ini very easy, cuma kita nak notice dia punya keyword dalam questions. Okay, so this is number 4. Kita akan go through juga nanti. Ini just overview untuk differentiation. Okay, last but not least in differentiation is rate of change. Okay, so rate of change ni yelah, usually dia punya it's all about time. db dt is equal to sorry. dy over dt, okay, rate of change of y is equal to dy dx times dx. Okay, rate of change of x means this one usually mostly dia akan bagi from equation. Okay. Formula given from equation. Okay, so yang ini rate of change, rate. Okay, for anyone yang ambil chemistry mesti tahu tentang rate. It's all about time. Okay, that's why rate of change of y is dy dt. Rate of change of x is dx dt. Okay, so both lah yang kita nak cari, whether nak cari dy dt or dx dt. Okay, for dy dx ni selalunya lah dia akan bagi soalan dalam shape, bentuk ataupun apa dia punya let's say sphere or cylinder or cone. Okay, so this is 5 main things about differentiation form 4. Okay, alright, so notes ni saya akan share dalam group. Okay, so now kita nak tengok soalan. Okay, today I nak fokuskan you guys dekat sini dekat equation ni, number 2, tentang equation tangents and normal and rate of change. And maybe if ada masa sikit lagi, I akan cover tentang small change. Okay. Alright, if ada questions setakat ini, you guys boleh type dalam chat box. Okay, saya akan keluar daripada whiteboard ni, saya nak buat soalan pula. Okay, nanti I will share these notes dekat dalam group. the equation given, y is equal to x squared 2 plus px. Okay, when x is equal to negative 2, okay, the gradient is equal to 7. Okay, this equation is not a linear, it's quadratic, not quadratic, cubic. Okay, so expand. Kita dapat y is equal to 2x squared plus px cubed. Okay, so since the equation is not linear, okay, to find the gradient only two ways. One is from gradient y squared tolak y1. Okay, so this is for linear. Y is equal to m2, m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, this is for straight line. If the equation given is curve, curve, so must do dy over dx. Okay, so this one, okay, so this way, this one, okay, do dy over dx is equal to 4x plus 3px square. Okay, differentiation for basic differentiation, semua power yang ada dekat x kita akan minus 1. So that's why to differentiate the equation y to x squared plus px cubed, bring all the power to the front. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4, x, 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 3px squared. Okay, so given that the gradient is 7, this one kan? Okay, so this samakan je lah. X is negative 2. Substitute x is equal to negative 2 plus 3p negative 2 square is equal to 7. Okay. So 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 plus 3p 4 is equal to 7. 12p is equal to 15. Then p is equal to 15 over 12. Okay. 4, 12. So dapat p is equal to 15 over 12. Okay. Anyone get 30 minutes more to end the session? Okay, next question. Question number 16 tengok dalam group tadi I've shared. Okay, it is given that y is equal to x cubed plus 4x plus 1 and the rate of change of x is 6 units per second. Find the rate of change of y when x is equal to negative 2. Okay, so always any subject yang ni soalan mesti keluarkan information. Okay, so this one given y is equal to x cubed plus 4x plus 1. Okay, the rate of change of x. dx over dt. Okay, rate of change is mass per time is equal to 6. Find the rate of change of y, dy dt is equal to what when x is equal to -2.
-2.
Okay, so what to do? Oh my god. Okay, so make sure inilah yang I said before, from the equation derive. Ini sebab dia bagi y is equal to x cube plus 4x plus 1, dia bagi. So very easy lah, yang ni kita practice yang like dulu. Okay, so daripada sini mesti buat dy over dx is equal to 3x plus 4 given x is equal to -2. Substitute dalam dy dx. So kita akan dapat begini. Okay, dy dx 3 times -2 plus 4 -6 plus 4 is equal to -2. Okay, so now dy dx is equal to -2. Okay, masukkan je lah dalam equation. Dia nak dy over dt is equal to what? Dy over dx times dx over dt. Okay, kalau nak derive equation dia begini. Dy di atas. Ni just in case lah dia bagi soalan yang dia putar balik soalan just untuk our information. Sekiranya dy di atas, make sure dy ini juga di atas. Okay. To get dt di bawah, okay, dt mesti potong kat sini. Dan dt mesti bahagian bawah supaya bila kita potong dx, dapatlah dy dt. Okay, clear ya? Okay, next. So dy dt kita pun masukkan je lah, substitute je equation all the value yang kita ada. Okay, dy dx is -2 times dx dt is 6. Answer is -12 unit. Okay. So first month kecil, second month a bit besar sikit, third month besar lagi, and fourth month is bigger. Okay. Given that the radius increases at a constant rate, okay, given that the radius increases at a constant rate 0.2 mm. So R, given R is 0.2. Find the rate of change of the surface area of the pearl when R, sorry. This is dr dt. The rate of increases at constant rate, dr over dt is equal to 0.2. Okay, millimeter per second sepatutnya. Find the rate of change of the surface area, dA over dt, surface area. Berapa? When R is equal to 8 millimeter. Okay, one thing yang kita kena tahu dekat sphere dekat sphere ni dia boleh jadi volume or area. Okay, it's a pearl. Pearl bentuk sphere boleh jadi volume or area. If volume, dia akan jadi V is equal to 4 over 3 pi R kuasa 3. If it's required area, so dia akan jadi 4 pi R square. Okay, in this question dia minta area. So we use this equation. Okay. So kita pun ada A is equal to 4 pi r square. dA over dr is equal to 8 pi r. Okay, clear how to get 8 pi r? Okay, differentiatekan A is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, next. Substitute dalam equation. Okay, dia nak dA over dt is equal to, if dA dekat atas, so dA here, dA over dr times dr over dt. So that we can cancel out this one, dr and dr. So we got dA over dt. Okay, next. dA over dr is 8 pi r times dr over dt is 0.2. Okay, so substitute r with 8. Okay, 8 pi times 8 times 0.2 is equal to 64 pi times 0.2 is equal to 12.8 pi. Get it? Okay. Simple je dia punya equation. D, a bit bengkok sikit dia punya D tu. dy is equal to dy over dx times dx. And sama jugalah macam tadi, ini dia akan derive from the equation. From equation. Okay. So let's say kita tengok, saya carikan soalan yang agak senang sikit. Okay, contoh soalan ni salin soalan ni. Buat sekejap. A closed cylinder has a fixed height of 12 cm and a base radius of 5 cm. Find the approximate base radius is 4.92 cm. Okay. A closed cylinder. Cylinder tertutup. Tertutup means dia ada cap, top and bottom cap. Has a fixed height of 12. Okay, fixed height of 12 cm and a base radius of 5 cm. Okay, find the approximate total surface area. Okay, so dia nak minta area. How? So, mesti buka silinder tu, jadikan dia bentuk segi empat and circle. Okay. Bila kita buka bentangan silinder dia akan jadi begini tau. Panjang. Okay. Then dia akan ada satu on top sebab dia closed and bottom ada satu bulat. Okay. Radius dia bagi 5. Okay. Height this one dia akan bagi 12. Okay. So panjang ini berapa? Okay. Kalau perasan itu sebenarnya ialah lilitan ataupun kita panggil apa perimeter bagi bulatan. Okay, this one. Nah, ini bahagian ni. So kita ada, okay, saya buat besar sikit kat sini lah. Okay, untuk sini area is equal to 12. Okay, kita cari area ni lah, area circle. A is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, yang ini pun 2 pi r. Okay, yang ini is cari dia punya ni panjang ni dulu. Okay, dia akan jadi sorry, Allah, saya salah. Luas bulatan ialah pi r square. Sorry, saya tak perasan. A is equal to pi r square. Okay, bulatan circle. Untuk cari panjang ini, okay, cari panjang ini ialah perimeter. Lilitan. Two pi r. Okay. Clear macam mana dapat 2 pi r? 2 pi r ni is circle punya lilitan bulatan kat tepi tu. Okay, jadi 2 pi r sahaja. So untuk area segi empat ini ialah 2 pi r times, okay, length 2 pi r, the width 12. Okay, so kita pun combine. Okay, so dia akan jadi ada pi r square. We have two circle here on top and the bottom. So 2 pi r square plus rectangle side tu dia punya body dia is rectangle shape. So 2 pi r 12 dia akan got 24 pi r. Okay, this is all total area. Okay. So ada okay, dA over dr is equal to 4 pi r plus 24 pi. Correct? Okay. Find the approximate total surface area. Approximate. Okay. Macam mana nak buat soalan ni? Rate of change ke? equation of tangent ke? Of course not equation of tangent. Min max ke? Of course not min max. So dengan small change. Okay. If ada mention rate dalam soalan, kita kata rate of change. Dalam soalan ni kita tak minta rate of change. So mestilah approximate is same goes to small change. Okay, so what to do? Kita akan apply equation small change. Okay. So kita pun apply lah dalam equation small change punya equation. Kita ada, okay, dia nak find the approximate total surface area. So dA, okay, change of surface area regarding the radius. So kita ada dA over dr tadi yang kita baru solvekan tadi times change of radius. Okay, so from the equation dia kata closed cylinder has fixed height, base radius of 5. Okay, radius 5 change to 4.92. Okay, so untuk R note sikit lah kat sini. R daripada 5 jadi R 5. Final R dia jadi 4.92. So DR dia mesti final minus yang initial. So 4.92 minus 5 we got 0.08. Negative 0.08. Okay, clear ya? Macam mana I got 0.08? Dia you cannot minus 5 minus 4.92 because final radius dia 4.92. So mesti final tolak dengan initial je. Okay. So approximate total surface area is equal to, okay, dA over dr we have 4 pi. Okay, substitute R is equal to 5. The initial radius tu. R is 5 plus 24 pi. Okay. Times negative 0.08. So dia akan dapat 5 times 4, 20 plus 24 pi is 44 pi. 44 pi times negative 0.08. So we got here it's not function. Okay, so we have got here negative 3.525. Okay. Tinggalkan je jawapan dalam bentuk pi. It's okay. No problem. Dalam question dia, I tak boleh nak salin sebabnya panjang. Nadia wishes to cut out a circle of radius of 5 cm from a piece of paper. Okay. Pada mulanya dia cut paper tu, supposedly to cut this paper at 5 cm. Suddenly dia tersalah cut, okay, dia tersalah potong, dia terpotong a bit bigger, which is the radius is 5.2. Okay. It means actual, supposedly, to cut this size. Okay, this one dia punya mistake. Terlebih 0.2 cm. Okay, so due to her carelessness, a circle with radius 5.2 cm was cut. Find the extra area. Okay, soalan say, find the extra area in terms of pi. Okay, so dimension in terms of pi. So tak payah tukar pi tu dalam numbers, terus dia bagi dalam jawapan, terus bagi answer dalam pi. Okay, that has been cut out of the card. Okay, find the area in terms of, find the extra area in terms of pi, in terms of pi that has been cut out of the card. Okay. So ini dia tak ada mention rate, so of course dia bukan rate of fraction, dia bukan rate of change. It's small change, approximate. Okay. So samalah juga tadi daripada equation. So kita ada macam ni, D A is equal to dA over dr times dr. Okay, given, always come up with given information. Okay, given R, the actual R is 5 cm. Mistakes happen, terlebih dia potong tu terbesar pula. Okay, mistakes dia buat, make sure 5.2 minus 5. Okay, yang final minus dengan yang initial punya. So dapatlah 0.2. Okay. Area of circle. Okay, area of circle. Okay, this one nak given macam lagi. Circle, okay. Shape circle. Area, area. So A is equal to pi r square. Okay. So insert, macam mana nak masukkan dalam maklumat yang diberi. Okay, so here, this one dapat daripada equation. So dA over dr is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. Dan kita substitute lah semua dekat dalam equation ni, dalam equation ni dA, okay, nak cari small change of area is equal to 2 pi r. R is 5 times small change of radius dia 0.2. Okay, so dia akan jadi 10 pi times 0.2 dapat 2 pi. Okay, just leave this answer in pi because it's stated in terms of pi. So no need to change dalam dia punya point form. Just 2 pi je. Okay, alright. So far setakat ni you guys boleh faham small change, rate of change, minimum maximum which is turning point, and the equation of tangent and normal. Okay, so kita dah cover 4 subtopik dalam kita ada 4 subtopik dalam pembezaan. Okay. 5 susur galur in differentiation. I dah cover 4 lah. Okay. One is basic differentiation, how to differentiate. Number 2 is equation, tangent, normal. Number 3 is turning point. Turning point mesti buat dy dx is equal to 0. First step. Second step, to check whether the function is minimum or maximum, must do the second derivative, which is d squared y over dx squared. Okay, sama dengan berapa. Okay. If less than 0, then this one is max. Okay. If greater than 0, then this is min. Okay. So yang ini tadi, yang number 2 ni, I tak lupa nak cover dekat dalam overview tadi. Ini ini. So note balik dalam muka tadi. Okay. Number 4, kita ada tadi small change, which is baru je cover tadi. Okay. And fifth, last one dalam differentiation is rate of change. So rate of change ni mesti something goes to masa, time. So yang paling simple, boleh cakap, ini quite simple lah ini. Quite simple, very simple. Okay, if any questions nak tanya or ada confusing ke apa, boleh type dalam chat box. I give about 2 minutes, okay, before we end the session. This one I save.